In a decisive 9-0 ruling, the Supreme Court has dismissed a challenge to the FDA's approval of Mifepristone, ensuring the drug remains available for online prescriptions. This ruling maintains the status quo for Mifepristone, a key medication used in abortion procedures. The court's unanimous decision rebuffs the efforts of a group of anti-abortion physicians who argued that the FDA's 2016 and 2021 decisions expanding Mifepristone's use directly harmed them. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, writing for the court, stated that the plaintiffs failed to demonstrate a direct injury from the FDA's actions, thus lacking the standing to sue. Kavanaugh emphasized that federal courts are not the appropriate venue for these grievances, suggesting the plaintiffs pursue their concerns through the regulatory process, Congress, or public discourse. Mifepristone, when used in conjunction with misoprostol, is a highly effective and safe method for medication abortions. Its use has surged, now accounting for over 60% of all abortions in the United States. The ability to prescribe these medications through telehealth has been particularly important, allowing providers in states where abortion is legal to mail the pills to patients in states with restrictive bans. This ease of access has made Mifepristone a target for the anti-abortion movement, which originally sought to overturn the FDA's 2000 approval of the drug through a lawsuit filed in Texas. The Supreme Court limited its review to the FDA's more recent decisions. The 2016 expansion allowing prescriptions up to 10 weeks of pregnancy, and the 2021 allowance for telemedicine prescriptions. Had the court ruled in favor of the anti-abortion group, Mifepristone would have been restricted to in-person prescriptions, requiring patients to make 3 separate visits to a healthcare provider. This would have been a significant barrier, particularly for those in remote areas or without flexible schedules. The restriction would have also limited prescriptions to doctors, excluding nurses and physician assistants. The Supreme Court's decision keeps Mifepristone accessible in states where abortion remains legal, but this is far from the end of the battle over medication abortion. Abortion is banned or heavily restricted in 14 states, with others imposing stringent regulations, including 6-week bans and prohibitions on telemedicine for abortion. In anticipation of this ruling, some states have attempted to criminalize medication abortion drugs, with Louisiana classifying them as controlled dangerous substances. During oral arguments, Justices Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas referenced the Comstock Act of 1873, an old anti-obscenity law that could potentially be revived to support a national abortion ban. However, the court's ruling did not address this law. The fight over Mifepristone and medication abortion is poised to continue, with potential new cases challenging the FDA's regulations likely to emerge from states like Idaho, Kansas, and Missouri. Justice Alito's comments during oral arguments suggest at least some openness to revisiting these issues in the future. Join our community of informed citizens, subscribe to your daily dose of news, and be part of the conversation.